Question number 1, Bharat Vistar is primarily related to which sector? Answer is option number B, agriculture. Question number 2, Bharat Vistar uses which technology to provide agricultural support? Answer is option number B, artificial intelligence. Question number 3, the National Fiber Scheme is associated mainly with which sector? Answer is option number A, textile. Question number 4, Biopharma Shakti is related to? Answer is option number B, biotechnology and pharmaceuticals. Question number 5, India Semiconductor Mission 2.0 focuses on? Answer is option number B, semiconductor manufacturing and ecosystem. Question number 6, the Union Budget 2026 and 2027 was presented on? Answer is option number C, 1st February 2026. Question number 7, National Manuscript Survey was launched in which month of 2026? Answer is option number B, March. Question number 8, the National Manuscript Survey aims primarily to? Answer is option number B, identify and document manuscripts. Question number 9, Biopharma Shakti was proposed mainly to develop India as a global hub for? Answer is option number B, biopharmaceutical manufacturing. Question number 10, what is the proposed outlay for Biopharma Shakti over 5 years? Answer is option number C, 10,000 crore rupees. Question number 11, the dedicated SME Growth Fund announced in Budget 2026-2027 has an allocation of? Answer is option number C, rupees 10,000 crore. Question number 12, the SME Growth Fund is primarily intended to support? Answer is option number B, small and medium enterprises. Question number 13, India Semiconductor Mission 2.0 is related to strengthening India's? Answer is Option number A, semiconductor ecosystem. Question number 14. Which sector is targeted by electronics components manufacturing scheme announced in budget 2026-2027? Answer is option number A, electronics. Question number 15. The National Fiber Scheme is primarily connected with which industry? Answer is option number A, textile. Question number 16. The Chemical Park Scheme is aimed at promoting India's. Answer is option number A, chemical industry. Question number 17. How much was allocated for the promotion of sports goods manufacturing in budget 2026-2027? Answer is option number C, rupees 500 crore. Question number 18. The Union Budget 2026-2027 proposed a scheme to support states in establishing how many regional medical hubs? Answer is option number C, 5. Question number 19. The proposed regional medical hubs aim primarily to promote India as a destination for. Answer is option number A, medical and wellness tourism. Question number 20. Startup India Fund of Funds 2.0 was approved in which year? Answer is option number C, 2026. Question number 21. Startup India Fund of Funds 2.0 primarily aims to mobilize. Answer is option number A, venture capital for startups. Question number 22. The Union Cabinet approved the Urban Challenge Fund with a scheme of. Answer is option number C, rupees 1 lakh crore. Question number 23. Mission for cotton productivity is related to which agriculture crop? Answer is option number B, cotton. Question number 24. Union Cabinet approved the mission for cotton productivity in. Answer is option number C, May 2026. Question number 25. The modified UDAN scheme approved in 2026 aims to connect how many new destinations? Answer is option number D, 120. Question number 26. Modified UTAN scheme aims to provide connectivity for approximately how many additional passengers? Answer is option number C, 4 crore. Question number 27. Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme 5.0 was approved in. Answer is option number C, May 2026. Question number 28. The Small Hydropower Development Scheme approved in March 2026 is related to. Answer is option number A, renewable energy. Question number 29. The new Plug and Play Industrial Development Initiative, approved in March 2026, is aimed at promoting. Answer is option number A, industrial development. Question number 30. Bharat Maritime Insurance was proposed or approved in 2026 with connection with. Answer is option number A, maritime sector.